Welcome to my life in the UP. My name is Angela. Thanks for joining me today. We got a bit of a spring snowstorm, a little bit of a blizzard. It's still snowing. Whoa, the snow's a little deep here. Wish you were here. Then you could help me shovel. Yeah. Okay, this is what it looks like this morning. The dog came and ran out there. Oh, I have a dog out. Remember I left my plow truck there so a tree wouldn't fall on it. That tree looks pretty heavy again. Oh, here comes my dog. Maddie, come here, girl. This is a different dog than was out earlier. They love the snow, don't ya? Okay, you have to go home because I'm going to have to plow. And I can't plow with you out here. Day 2 of our May blizzard. Let me tell you, it looks, yeah, nasty out here. That's a good word. It looks fearsome, frightful, that's it. Oh, the weather outside is frightful. I don't really want to go anywhere, but it's finals week for the girls at school. So it's up to me to deal with all the snow and to rescue my daughters. My job today, my assignment today, if I choose to accept it, which unfortunately I have, is to clear the snow. Yes, okay. It is beautiful out here though, so pretty. Look at, I love the contrast with the flag and the white, and I gotta work and I'm stalling. So remember, I parked the truck across, not where I normally park it because I was afraid of trees coming down on it. Look at this. Look at these branches I just uncovered on the roof of the truck. It's a Tahoe, whatever. So the branches came down. Where'd they come from? Houston, we have a problem. There's no key in here. And I could have sworn I left the key in the ignition last night. I don't know what to do. I have a truck key, but it's for the other truck because I took that key. Yeah, we have a problem. This is a problem. I can't plow without a key. Okay, I shut it off. Where would I put the key? Maybe in my jacket pocket? I wasn't wearing this jacket. Oh, I don't know what to do. Where's the key? Oh, it's terrible. I reached in my pants pocket where I thought I put the truck for the other key, and there was the plow truck key. So now the question is, where's the key for the other truck? I do have a spare for that. There's probably a spare for this too. But I found the key. Now I don't know where the other key is. It's probably, oh yes, probably right next to where this one was. Now I got to get out and I got to clear the vehicle and I have to go find the other key. Oh, this is not starting out. But, you know, I've got cookies with me, so life is good. Okay, I grabbed the spare key for the other truck. I can't even see down there because the trees are blocking it. I hope the truck is there. Okay, there we go. Plow is down. I'm in drive. Which way do I want to put the plow? I don't know. I don't want to get sucked off the edge here. Oh, I'm going to get stuck. I know it. This is a heavy stuff. Okay, I'm staying away from the edge. Oh, the truck is still there. Yay. Look at all that snow. Sorry, I have to have the wipers going. That's on top of what we got yesterday. Alright. Oh, I can't see it. My hat's selling from it. Okay, let's see. Can I... That's a big pile of snow next to me. Let's put plow up. Yeah, it is. Whoa, I'm gonna... I can't do that. I have to watch where I'm going. Look at that. It is just beautiful. It's a winter wonderland. Okay, I plowed and I plowed and I plowed. Look how white it is out there. I don't know if it'll focus, whatever. I'm not sure what to do now. Do I keep plowing? Do I stop? It's still snowing. I'm going to have to plow again. There's a lot of snow. I'm not even sure where to push it. And then, in about 3 days, it'll all be gone, right? If it ever stops snowing. I think the forecast last night said it was supposed to stop snowing around 2 or something. I don't know. Both of my daughters emailed their teachers. You know, it's finals week, I said. And the one said he's been plowing since 4 a.m. and he's not anywhere near being done to getting out to get to class. So they have rescheduled her class for Friday. And the other one, the teacher pretty much said, fill out this form and I hope you enjoyed class. Which is kind of what I thought would happen. She had a presentation she was supposed to do, but it sounds like that's not going to happen. Because here's something else. If they'd canceled school today, so they canceled school closed yesterday, so they moved all of those finals from Monday to Friday, unless they made other arrangements. So Erica was able to take her final for that class online. And so then if they shut down Tuesday, they'd have to reschedule for Saturday. The thing is, Erica is graduating on Saturday. She couldn't be taking any finals on Saturday because she's going to be graduating. Ooh, my baby girl is graduating. How do you know when you have been a successful homeschooler? A successful homeschool teacher? When your child graduates from the university, that's when you know you were successful. Okay, you know before that. Okay, I've got the plowing done. Now I gotta go check our trailer. It's back there. Last night Jack and I went out there and the wind had blown all the snow right off of it, so that was nice. We didn't have to shovel, but it looks like today is going to be a different story. Okay, my hands are cold. See? Blink. I can save this video and share it next December. Yeah. I walked back to check the trailer. The wind's keeping the snow off of it. It's not in a sheltered location. Not like this. Look at this. Can you believe this? Yesterday this path was completely clear and now the trees are all bending over. Hope they don't break on me. Do you see that? Those are chunks of ice falling off the branches. It's a little scary. You don't want to be under those when they hit. I mean, that's bigger than hail, right? Wow. Yeah. Today is election day here. I voted. See, I have my sticker somewhere there. You can see it, maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, I think I'm going to plow one more time. It stopped snowing finally. There's ice falling. They're gonna hit me. Ooh. Hopefully not. It was so pretty earlier, but it was snowing and I couldn't get out in the woods. Erica told me that 2 trees went down on the area where Ernie's goose house is. They didn't hit the house, but it was not easy to get to. So I'll have to go back and investigate that, I suppose, but I'm going to plow first. As you can see, there's not a lot of snow, but if I clean it up, it'll melt faster off the driveway. Okay. Oh, I always have to decide which way I want the plow to go, and I don't want to get swept off the edge. It's hard for me to tell exactly where the edge of the road is here. Is my plow down? Yes, it is. And I parked my truck down there. Days worth of heavy wet snow here in the UP. You betcha. Oh, I'm getting pelted with ice. Chunks of ice. It's just falling off the trees. A chunk of ice. You can hear it. Oh! Yeah, I was gonna say, fell off and landed on the floor in here. See that? Look at that. It's really coming off the trees. Let's see if it lands on my car. The car should be cushioned, right? With all that snow on top of it. You can hear the ice dropping off the trees. Okay, there's no tree above me. I should be safe here. Hope my vehicles are safe. Hope Ernie's safe. I can hear him honking over there. Got my dog. We've come to check out the snow. Whoa, look at that. Wilder's gone to check something else out. Okay, which way do I want to go around the tree? This way. Okay, we must have gotten 30 inches. I should take a yardstick out here and measure it. I do have a yardstick because the yardstick is 36 inches or 3 feet. Well, this is new. Tree tipped over between the trees here. Yeah, that wasn't there before. These are the squeaky trees, but now they've got a tree between them. Erica says there are trees down in the goose pen. Let's go check it out. He's watching the neighbors plowing. Oh, she wasn't kidding. I thought it fell on the goose pen. Maybe this fell after she was back here. Let's go check it out, Wilder. Keep going. Tree down, tree down. Hey there. Just when I thought spring was here, winter decided not to let go. Okay, this looks really open here. I don't think that tree was there before. The one back there was, but I don't think that was there. It was very windy. The snow is very wet and very heavy. It took down a big tree across our driveway. And some other trees. This one, it's always sad to see the trees come down. Now we're gonna go check out Ernie's pen. He's fine, he's fine. Okay, see the tracks go underneath the tree here. So I am pretty sure this tree was not down this morning when Erica came back to let Ernie out. Yeah, where are you gonna go? It's right in our path. We'll have to go around it. She said that, oh wow. I'll show you what I'm wowing about. Oh, it's up to my tops of my boots anyway. Sorry, I shouldn't record and walk because it makes for jumpy footage. The trees are snowing. I'm afraid one might come down while I'm back here. That's kind of a scary thought. Whew. Yeah, it's kind of a scary thought. That one's really moving around. Come on, Wilder. Now. Whoa. Yeah, I know she came this way. Well. Whew, snow falling off of trees. Okay. This is Ernie's area. Where did the... Oh. Okay, I was going to say, where did this tree come from? Way up there. It broke off. And it fell. Look at that. It missed his home just by a little bit. I think... Oh, I need to shovel that off. I think it's strong enough, though, that it won't... that it would probably hold up. Huh. She said 2 trees fell here. I see 1. Maybe she did mean the other one. Wow. Yeah, you can see it was kind of rotten up there. What do you think, Wilder? Gonna find a way for us to go around? Oh, yeah. It does look like 2 trees here. Look at that. A tree with 2 tops. I don't know. Oh, keep going, buddy. Okay, so to get Ernie out, she had to push the fence down, and she said toss him over. Yeah, that looks pretty heavy. I'm gonna have to find a place for my camera and shovel that off, because he's going to need to go in there tonight. I don't think we have to worry about any other trees coming down on it. I hope. Wow. That one's pretty leaning, but it looks pretty strong, right? Tell me it looks strong. Yeah. I've only got one glove because the other one's under my camera. Whoa. I can grab the shovel. Do geese get scared? Don't knock my camera over, Wilder. Oh, this is heavy stuff. Okay, we just gotta get on a roll here. Wilder, this snow's gonna fall on you. Get out there. Go on. Oh. My arms are up, Wilder. Up. Well, let's see if I can reach it from somewhere else. There must have been at least 2 feet of snow on top of that roof. Wow. It's a lot of work walking through this deep snow. Okay, I don't like this. Ah, it's ice hitting me. That's ice, yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna go much further. Looks like the dog did. Because there's some more trees down. Look like just little trees. Okay, that was fun. I'm gonna head back to the house because the girls and I are gonna, I know, they're women now, but they're my girls, right? I don't know. The women and I, that sounds funny. Wow, my hair looks really white when I have it back like this. Come on, bud. Okay, you can see how deep it is for him. Come on. Catch my breath. All right. Oh boy. We're lucky we didn't lose Ernie in that one. I forgot to take a picture of it before I shoveled the snow off. I wanted to send it to Dutch, but I forgot. Do I need to try to come out here and cut this up, or should I wait till Dutch comes home? I don't know. And then the other one that's down on the trail. The ice keeps falling out of the tree. It's worse than hail because they're big chunks. I was talking to the UPS guy. He was saying how he got hit by some of them too. Yeah, it's not fun. Oh, I hear Ernie though. I gotta go around this tree. Oh boy, it's a little scary with those trees blowing around. But most of the snow is fallen off, so they're not quite so heavy, right? My dog, the tree, I don't know, you can see all that behind me. Yeah. It amazes me how we can go from warm, no snow 2 days ago to over 2 feet of snow in the woods. And in a couple days it'll all be gone. Amazing. There is a deer out there. It's watching me. What's it eating? Hi, little deer. Oh, there's one right here. It's like not seeing the forest for the trees. What? They saw the deer. Oh. Wilder saw it first. It was right outside the door. Oh, As soon as the deer ran off, the bird came. What kind of bird is that? Look at them. Yeah, they were ridiculous. That one's standing funny there.
Oh, they're still there.
Yeah. Having a hard time walking through that snow.
I know.
It's just, I can't believe this. Well, I can, but you know what I mean.